HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us visualize the mean as a balancing point. Let's look at an example of concert satisfaction ratings to see how the mean is a balancing point. If we imagine that each score represents a child on a seesaw, then we can see that the fulcrum, the center of the seesaw, perfectly balances the 8 ratings. Here the fulcrum is placed at 6, and we can see that the seesaw is starting to tip to the left because it is now unbalanced. If we change the fulcrum to 4, then the seesaw will start tipping to the right. There is only one position where the seesaw is balanced, and that position defines the mean. Here's another set of scores, with a balancing point of 4, which is the mean of the scores. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.